Here's another little interesting facet of cotton farming, and well, a lot of farming in general. If you look at the underside of this leaf, you'll see an interesting little situation. We've got aphids in various life stages, as well as ants. And these are some of our native pyramid ants. I don't know the species, but it's the pyramid ant genus. Right here down at the nexus for all of the leaf veins, for all the lobes of the leaf, you see the aphids, and they sort of congregate down there. And the ants come and they tend to the aphids. What the ants are doing is they're drinking honeydew, which is a byproduct of the way that aphids feed. Aphids puncture the vasculature of the plant, and they feed on the high-pressure sugary solution that flows through the veins of the plant. When they do this, as a byproduct, they excrete a substance called honeydew, which is just basically plant sap, but a little bit more enriched. And the ants are taking advantage of this, and they're basically eating aphid poop. And in exchange for not eating the aphids, the ants protect the aphids from predators, like, say, I just saw one, like this guy, a ladybug, or lady beetle to be more correct, which runs around the plant eating ants. And this is not limited to our native ants. And let's take a gamble on this one. And as you can see here, we have fire ants doing the exact same thing. And this is the case all across my plot. And if these aphids start becoming a problem, I'll have to come out here and smush them a little bit. And if they start getting really bad, I'll have to come out here with a soapy solution or maybe a vinegar solution and spritz the aphids, which should kill them off. And I'll have to do that routinely to keep their numbers back so that they don't damage the plants. Really, this is quite the fascinating mutualistic relationship that these ants have with the aphids. Because not only are the ants a eusocial society of insects, well, a eusocial colony of insects, but the aphids are a clonal colony. The female aphids reproduce asexually for the most part. So you've got a mutualistic symbiotic relationship between a eusocial insect colony and a colony of clonal bugs. You don't see a lot of mutualistic relationships, at least ones that involved in nature, and then where you're compounding both a clonal colony of an organism and a eusocial, not quite clonal colony, but a matriarchal colony. It's just interesting to see that many layered social systems in an insect relationship. Fascinating. So that was it. That was just a quick little update about that. Tom out.